Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enable the dark mode in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 Google Chrome browser. And without further ado, let's do that. So please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. So let's open first our Google Chrome browser, and once you're in the Google Chrome browser, please go to the URL section and please type there Chrome colon // flags. It's Chrome colon // flags. Now once done typing, please do click on enter, and in here you will see search flags option at the very top. Experiments. Warning, experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Enabled features apply to all users of this browser. If you're an enterprise admin, you should not be using these flags in production. So in here, please type in the search flag option, please type dark. And under available experiments, you will see auto dark mode for web contents. Automatically render all web contents using a dark theme for your Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android devices. So to enable this one, all you have to do is just go to the default button here. And instead of choosing this default option, we need to click this drop down button and then click on the enabled option. And once we do that, we will see this notification in the bottom that says your changes will take effect the next time you'll relaunch Chrome. So let's click on the relaunch button here, and it will automatically close the Chrome browser, and it will automatically reopen. So you will see by the time that it will reopen, it will enable now the dark mode for our web contents in the Google Chrome browser. As you can see here, the screen in my Google Chrome is now dark mode. Whenever we add tab, you will see here Google Forms, everything is now in dark mode. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.